Indigenous people have a really rich culture, and it's really important that when people come to this region, to this country, that they get to experience Indigenous culture.
For us to portray who we are and to have the stories heard, I think that's very, very important. Educational, but it opens, I think, people's eyes from around the world.
Right now we have a very small team of 6 to 8 people, but before COVID we had 22 employees.
That is very kind of WestJet, for sure. That's going to help us.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
I certainly didn't expect that in the midst of, your own company, having such a challenging year as well. So it's extremely well appreciated.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
First and foremost, thank you so much. That was great news.
I just really wanted to thank you. We're so grateful, and we will really do our best to utilize this opportunity.
Indigenous culture plays a very significant role in this business. We support our Indigenous communities by buying their product. We support our local farmers. We are promoting and celebrating the history of this land and the generations before us, and giving that experience to our customers, and really sharing our stories and our medicine and our food.
They're going to feel the leaves and the trees that our ancestors used to carve out as boats and tools. They're going to hear our stories, our songs, our legends. And they're going to see all that, and we figure that that's how you're truly going to learn about Indigenous culture.